Scope of IPR. While the scope of IP rights is broad, two classification is usually made to determine if IP is a copyright or industrial property. Industrial property basically refers to patents or inventions, trademarks, trade names, biodiversities, plant breeder rights, and other commercial interests. A patent gives the holder exclusive right of use of the IP property. So this basically gives him a purpose of making money after doing the invention. An invention itself is a new manufacture, process, machine, or composition. Holding a copyright does not necessarily give you exclusive rights to an idea, but it does protect the expression of ideas, which is different from a patent. So, copyrights it has covered the numerous fields from arts, literature to scientific works and even to the softwares. Even the musical and audiovisual works are covered by copyright laws. In addition to copyright protections, neighboring rights also exist which protects the expression of ideas. So, neighboring rights they are enjoyed by theatre performers, broadcasters, actors, musicians, etc. Different careers in IP law. The era of intellectual property law opens a plethora of career options. A career in intellectual property is secure one. So, when we talk about the intellectual property professional, they can opt to become a specialist in one of the many intellectual property areas. First one, litigation. Litigation is an evergreen field. One just needs to, give time and work hard in order to make a name. Due to the dynamic nature of IP law, there is an alignment of focus by the judiciary on this area of law also. The lifespan of an IP lawsuit in the commercial courts if the functional is comparable to the highly ranked jurisdiction of the world. So, second one is patent related career options. So, there are many options when you choose patent as your expertise. So the career option in the area of patent law, it includes patent analyst. So what is your job as a patent analyst? Basically, you have to provide a comparative analysis of inventions and patents with the intricacies of technology. Second is patent valuer. Experts who decide the market value of a patent on the basis of various financial metrics. This is helpful during the mergers and acquisitions. Licensing specialist. He is basically responsible for licensing of the patents, both inbound and outbound. Then the other one is patent drafting specialist. They draft patents, specifications, and patent claims in an application. The next option is law firms. You can also step into the corporate world as an IP lawyer. The jobs are, however, tedious, but glamour and the money is good. The best IPR law firms are mostly boutique law firms. They can have smaller teams when you compare it with a corporate transaction team of a tier 1 law firm. So, propel your career with blogging. This is also another option which will help you in IPR sector. The wide array of intellectual property law, it opens the gates to write about them and educate the people. These ventures are often paid and open to both the professionals as well as the students. If not a full-time thing, IP law blogging is an extra something in their work profile, which on one hand enables them to garner reputation for themselves and on the other hand is a great help to the commoners to understand the basic concept of IP law. Then the other one is companies. Most companies require IP lawyers, if not specialized ones, then at least general in-house lawyers who also have to do IP work. In sectors like media and entertainment, technology, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, sports, broadcasting, movies, music, publishing, etc. IP lawyers are in great demand, and these companies often require the large IP law teams. Then the other one is IPR think tanks. These are the large IPR, technology, competition law, and internet related think tanks that need to hire IPR lawyers in large number for research as well as policy related work. The other one is IP monitoring service. In recent times, IP rights monitoring services they are become very prominent and profitable too. Large MNCs and the IP owners they appoint monitoring agencies all over the world, and the job is basically to keep a check on who is misusing the intellectual property. And it also includes taking legal action to recover any kind of illegal profit and prevent the further use of the copyright, trademark, or patent. They prevent the counterfeit products, catch illegal copies, detect misuse of copyright, and then they take legal action as per the pre-approved mandates. A large number of lawyers they get employment in such IP monitoring service providers.